And friends, now we'll have presentation of projects, so I request the presentation team to be ready and Mr. Sobhit Desai to take over. Before that, I would like to give few important announcements. Our one of the National Vice President, Dr. Kalyan Gangwal, has been selected for Mega Share Award for his work in Ahimsa. We congratulate him. Dr. Kataria for his work on Ahimsa. Dr. Kalyan Gangwal. Dr. Kataria for being elected as Vice President of Delhi Medical Association. And about medical college, when Ahmad Bhai was talking about, we are going to soon have medical college, Jain Medical College in Bhopal. Dr. Rajesh Jain, who is coordinating this project, already this Shilanyas has been taken place on 3rd of Feb in Bhopal. We also thank all our spouses, all doctors, when we were working for this JDCon 2008 in last 1 month, they have given us full liberty in night, and we thank all, especially even my wife and my children. And thank you very much. And now Sobhit ji, please take over.
Friends, before JDF jingle, we would also like to present one moment or two. Our dear friend Dr. Rasik Shah, who is the co-chairman and the president of Mumbai JDF, for doing wonderful work. And I request Prakash ji to honor Dr. Rasik Shah. Prakash ji. Friends, we would also like to invite the scientific committee people who has given us this wonderful program over 2 days. Dr. Bipin Doshi, Dr. Mangal Jain, and Dr. Sujal Shah. Please come forward. And of course, Dr. Sudhir Bhai, our founder chairman and JDF chairman, was also there. Please, we will felicitate all these 3 great gentlemen who has done wonderful job. And I request Dr. Bharat Parmar and Dr. Meghani ji to come forward and please do the honor. Please, Dr. Meghani ji and Dr. Bharat Parmar, please honor. दोस्तों, एक बात बताता हूँ कि JDF जिंगल जो आप सुन रहे हैं कल से, उसके लिरिक्स डॉक्टर बिपिन दोशी ने लिखे थे और आप अप्रिशिएट कर सकते हैं क्या वंडरफुल उन्होंने उस सॉन्ग को बनाया है जिसने एक जोश भर दिया हमारे अंदर. सुजल भाई क्या जाओ? सुजल भाई नाम मंगल लिए? ओके, नहीं साथे नहीं, बधाने इंडिविजुअल છે ભાઈ. મંગલ જી. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ જી. फ्रेंड्स, और एक खुशी की बात बताता हूं. हमारे मुंबई JDF के चेयरमैन, फाउंडर चेयरमैन डॉक्टर जीवराज शाह has been appointed as a chief of the Mumbai Maharashtra BJP. Please give a big clap. Dr. Jivaraj ji.
And before Dr. Bipin Doshi takes over the addressing to you, his poetic strength, what his poetic strength is. We have the privilege of presenting the jingle of this, the full jingle.
Funda.
जी हाँ ख्वातीन हज़रात, ये गीत, ये जिंगल लिखा है डॉक्टर बिपिन दोषी ने, जिसे स्वरांकित किया है डॉक्टर मिस्टर जयेश आशर, विच वॉज प्रेजेंटेड टू यू। केपी जी जब बात कर रहे थे बहुत ही अच्छा एड्रेस था उनका, और जब बात कर रहे थे केपी जी, उन्होंने कहा कि दिल्ली में पॉलिटिक्स ही होता है, तो मुझे बहुत आनंद हुआ इस बात का उन्होंने जो जिक्र किया। शहीद चतुर्वेदी बहुत ही अच्छे हिंदी के हास्य कवि, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी एक कविता लिखी थी कि पड़ोसी ने कहा चुनाव आ रहा है, पड़ोसी ने कहा चुनाव आ रहा है, मैंने कहा खड़े हो जाइए। पड़ोसी ने कहा चुनाव आ रहा है, मैंने कहा खड़े हो जाइए, देश जो थोड़ा बचा है उसे आप खाइए। पड़ोसी ने पूछा देश कैसे खाया जाता है, पड़ोसी ने पूछा देश कैसे खाया जाता है, मैंने कहा वो बंबई में नहीं दिल्ली में सिखाया जाता है। So, ladies and gentlemen, I have the privilege of presenting Dr. Bipin Doshi, who needs no introduction from me now to take care of the remaining stage formalities. Dr. Bipin Doshi, a big round of applause for him.
So there's a compare going back to the audience. Friends, the jingle which you are hearing, CD is ready outside. All the delegates will get CD. You can keep in your car and listen to JDF as and when you need to listen JDF and remember JDF. With these few words, let me start on the middle part of the session, and that is the presentation of project. भरत जी ने और केवल जी ने बहुत अच्छी बात कही, रोक सको तो रोक लो इस बर्बादी को। और अगर इस बर्बादी को हमें रोकना है, कॉन्फ्रेंस तो करनी ही है, मिलना तो है ही, लेकिन मिलने के साथ साथ कुछ ठोस काम भी करने हैं। जब तक हम ठोस काम नहीं करते हैं, तभी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन doesn't remain. And to keep an organization living, burning and growing, we need to have excellent work to be done. आप सबको विदित है कि जीटो के साथ और जीटो के सहयोग से, माध्यम से और जेडीएफ के सहकार से हमने एक प्रोजेक्ट शुरू कर दिया है श्रवण आरोग्यम का। गुरुजी हमेशा कहते थे कि हमें और कुछ करना है, और मैं मानता हूं पिछले 2 वर्ष में गुरुजी ने एक हमें बहुत बड़ी बात की कि हमारे बच्चे को हमें संस्कार देना है, और इस संस्कार देने के लिए हमें कुछ ठोस काम करना है। हमें शालाएं खड़ी करनी है, हमें यूनिवर्सिटीज करनी करिए, हमें ज्ञान के मंदिर को भी खड़ा करना है। लेकिन इस ज्ञान मंदिर को हम खड़ा कर पाए, उसके पहले हमने कुछ सोच गुरुजी के सामने रखी है। तो मैं आपके सामने एक जो जेडीएफ, जियो और जीटो तीनों मिलकर जो प्रोजेक्ट करने वाले हैं, उन एक प्रोजेक्ट का प्रेजेंटेशन आपके सामने हमारी टीम करेगी। मैं रिक्वेस्ट माय कलीग डॉक्टर कमल जैन, इज एन एमिनेंट डॉक्टर, एंड मिस्टर परेश शाह, a developer and trainer in the youth, who has probably conducted more than 1,000 seminars on youth. This team, along with me, would be working for this project of Yuva Sanskar. May I request Dr. Kamal Jain to start this presentation. Dr. Kamal Jain, please.
गुरु भगवंत को मेरा कोटि कोटि वंदन। Dear friends, I would like to thank all JDF office bearers who instilled deep trust in me and appoint me as a coordinator of this JDF's national project, Yuva Sanskar, a JDF initiative to make a difference with active support of GITO and GEO. Now, why Yuva Sanskar? My friends, we are living in a 5th era or a 21st century, a world of conflicting values, where our age-old social, moral and spiritual values are crumbling down like a pack of cards. There are many factors which are influencing today's youth. Gaming, video parlor, playstations, where our children waste their valuable time, cell phones, dirty MMS, vulgar SMS, imagining fantasy, late night partying and club culture, negative impact of media, internet, fast food, junk food, non-veg, which is unhealthy. Due to the influences of these factors, the current scenario is where our youth are telling lies, they leave home for simple reasons, get easily depressed, do not listen to parents, blackmail parents, flicking money, commit suicide. Now we come on to the more higher risk behaviors. Our younger generation is getting addicted to consuming liquor, smoking. Million Indians will die of smoking every year by 2010. Consuming drugs, gambling, road rash. Youngsters are getting involved in more serious crimes like abduction, rape. 19,348 women were being raped in 2006. Shooting in schools. Our morning starts with such unfortunate news. Such incidences have increased many folds in last 5 years. Now who is responsible for this? Parents, teachers, society? No, we all are responsible for this. Maybe because we are not able to keep up with the pace of the changing time. What is needed? What is to be done? We need a parallel system of education by which a character is formed, strength of mind is increased, intellect is expanded, our education by which we can instill values and virtues among our youngsters. Now who can do it? JDF members can do it. Yes, a teamwork of GITO, GU and JDF can perform miracles in this area of value education. By this project, Yuva Sanskar, we will enable each student to attain excellence in academics, ability to overcome difficult situations, ability to choose most beneficial path in life, respect in relationships, effectiveness in communication, happiness and contentment in life. Every parent would like to have a child whose personality shines wherever he goes. It is a personality that is appreciated everywhere. To develop such pleasing personality is the main aim of our project, Yuva Sanskar. Now what next? What do we do? Build an institute? It is in our future plans, but how much time and resources will be needed to build an institute? A lot. How many students will one institute train? 3,000, maybe 5,000. So what? What do we do till then? So till then, we can use the infrastructure available to us and start a pilot project in Mumbai. Initially, the training will be given to JDF doctors who volunteer themselves for this program, which will be followed by 6 months specialized upgradation training. These trained doctors will be certified as youth counselors by JDF. How can we do it? Say, suppose 100 doctors are trained. A group of 3 doctors take care of 3 schools. 3 doctors managing 3,000 students. Average 1,000 students per school per year. By the end of the year, we can instill values and virtues in 1 lakh youngsters, transforming them from stress to strength. Training our youth. Our trained JDF youth counselors will train the youngsters through theory sessions, outdoor sessions, interactive sessions with the parents, entertainment, newsletters, online contents and exams. Training will also be given through multimedia. We have planned a separate marketing department which will look after the communication, planning and technical part of our project Yuva Sanskar. The proposed budget for all this is around 10 lakhs per month. Dear friends, just pause and think. You spend a lot for your happiness, you invest a lot for your future, you work a lot for your growth. What are our responsibilities towards the next generation and the future of the world? Jago Dosto Jago, inviting your partnership in Yuva Sanskar. Thank you.
Give a big applause to the team. Kamal Jain and Paresh Shah, who has been a trainer for the youth. As I told you, more than 1,000 seminars he has taken. This is our team and friends. We want to make a difference. In next 1 year, we want 111 doctors of JDF from Mumbai to join this project. They would not be doing this free of charge. They will be paid honorarium of 5,000 rupees per month, because we don't want absolutely free services. They have the time value and they need to go from here to there. We have a marketing team where we are going to spend about 1 lakh of rupees for marketing. And Paresh Bhai, who is in a trainer stream, he has to train people, he has to send the people, he has to prepare the literature, he has to prepare all other infrastructure which will be available to the doctors, which can be imparted to the schools and various groups of children and the youth. And friends, to do this, we need 11 lakhs of rupees every month, and for which I just got a sanction from Maharaj Sahib. Param Pujya Nai Padma Sagar Ji Maharaj Sahib has told us that we will create a corpus of rupees 11 crore of rupees for this project. And friends, जैसे कमल जी ने बताया last slide में, we have created beautiful houses for our children. We have created probably big empire of industry for our children. We have created all happiness which our children do need. But friends, we have to create a institution, a project by which we can instill the values and virtues to our children. And this is the project with JDF, GITO and GIO, Jain International Youth Organization, together will do to make a difference what we want to do in this world. रोक सको तो रोक लो, यही हमारा मकसद है. Thank you very much to listen to this project. And now we shall go to the second project. Madam Bhai wants to say something.
We welcome Mr. Amitabh Chandra, IS officer from Government of Maharashtra, the Principal Secretary. Kindly come, please, on the dais and occupy your chair. I request Dr. Keval P. Jain to bring you on the dais.
Welcome, sir. Now I have another presentation to make. May I request Dr. Ila Dedia to come on the dais. Dr. Ila Dedia, Dr. Ila. Let me introduce Dr. Ila Dedia. She is a PhD in textile technology, professor at Nirmala Niketan, and she has worked at the international level to create an academic course on non-violence. We are colleagues at the University of Mumbai, and I had also an opportunity to work with her as a colleague for various projects.